A very good afternoon, children. Welcome back to my class. Students, today we will start a new chapter from in AVS NCRT book, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Food We Eat. Food We Eat. Students, look at the board. I have written on the board. Today we are going to study EVS chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Food We Eat. I hope you know what is food. Yes, whatever you are having, eating, जो आप खाते हो, that is called food. Okay, students. Now let us come back to our topic or the class on page number 38. Students, can you see? Look at page number 38. There are 7 children sitting together and they are discussing. Students, look at the page here. Yes, you can see some of the students here. Look here carefully. Yes, this is our chapter. The name of the chapter is Food We Eat. And you can see how many students are there. Children are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are altogether 7 children in this picture of your chapter. Okay, they are having a conversations. They are having a conversations. The student here, they are having a conversations among themselves. They are discussing. What do you mean by conversation? Conversation means they are discussing together. Okay. Okay. Let us see what is the first child saying. The first child is saying that last night I ate chapati made of bajra and jaggery. Okay, students, you know what is jaggery? Jaggery in Hindi we call gur. Okay, one student he is saying that last night I ate chapati means roti and gur. Yes, the first child. What पहला लड़का क्या कह रहा है? पिछली रात को मैंने रोटी और गुड़ खाया. Let us see the second one. It's a girl. What she is saying? I cooked dal and rice. What is she saying? She is saying that she cooked dal and rice. Students, we food items की बात हो रही है. So let us see. First child, he is saying that he ate some chapati. He ate some chapati. He ate some chapati with what? Good. Chapati with jaggery. Chapati with jaggery. Jaggery means good. Jaggery means good. Okay, look at the board also. Meanwhile, बड़ा book पे भी देखते रहो और board पे भी देखते रहो. Now look here. What is the second child saying? The second child, she is saying that she made dal and rice. Dal and rice. Now let us see the third one. What is the third one saying? Yesterday, no food was cooked in my house. So the third child is saying nothing. Nothing. Nothing was prepared in his house. Third बच्चे के घर में कुछ नहीं बना था. Now let us see the fourth one. I went to the Gurudwara with my grandfather for langar. We ate dal and chapati. Again, the fourth child, what he is saying? He is saying that they went to Gurudwara. वो गुरुद्वारा में गए लंगर में जहां दाल रोटी खिलाया जा रहा था. So the fourth child is saying that he ate dal and chapati. Dal and chapati, yani roti. Dal roti khaya. Now let us see the fifth child. What is the fifth child saying? अम्मी had cooked खीर and पूरी. मम्मी ने खीर पूरी बनाया था. The child he is saying, she is saying that her mother cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I ate an omelette. So what the fifth child in her house, what kheer and puri was prepared. Kheer and puri was prepared, but she ate omelette. She ate omelette. She didn't eat the kheer and puri. Kheer puri उस बच्चे ने नहीं खाया. She ate what? She ate an omelette. Okay, now let us see. My mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. Now the sixth child. What is the sixth child say? The sixth child ate fish. Ate fish. Okay. Now let us move on to the last child. That is the seventh one. My mother brought noodles for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating. And look here, what the last child, she ate noodles. Okay, these are the conversations of page number 38. In page number 38, students, now look at the board. Don't look at your book. Now look at me. Look at me, everyone. Students, look at me. Yes, in here there are altogether how many students are there? There are seven children in this first in the picture. They are having discussion among themselves. They are having a conversation among themselves, and they are discussing. The first child is saying that he last night he ate chapati with jaggery. The second child, she is saying that she prepared dal and rice. The third child, nothing was being cooked in his house. इसके घर में कुछ नहीं बना था, इसलिए इसने कुछ नहीं खाया. Number 4, dal and chapati. The fourth child, what he went to the Gurudwara and he ate in the langar dal and chapati. Now fifth one, what he is saying, in her house kheer and puri was prepared, but she ate omelette. And the sixth child, what the sixth child ate? The sixth child ate fish. It was very tasty. He is saying that the fish was very tasty and he ate lots of fish. And the seventh child, her mother was walking out somewhere in the field or in someone's house, and she brought some noodles and they all enjoyed having noodles. I hope it is clear and I hope you got it what the first page is saying. Everyone, show me your thumb. First page clear हो गया है. Show me your thumb. First page picture conversation clear, everyone. Show me your thumb. Yes. Okay, fine, students. Now let us move on to the next one. What did you eat yesterday? Write it on the plate shown below. Now students, what we have to do, what we ate yesterday, कल हमने क्या खाया? There is a plate. There is a plate drawn in your book. You have to write in that book that what you ate last night or yesterday. Yesterday, कल आपने कौन सा भोजन किया था? There is a picture of a plate here. It's round here. This is your plate. What you have ate yesterday, you have to write here. You have to write here in this figure. इस फिगर में आपको लिखना है कि आपने कल रात क्या क्या या कल क्या खाया था. What you ate. Okay. So what we ate dal, chapati. Yes, curry यानी सब्जी खाई होगी हमने. Yes, सबने. Yes, then rice, then salad. Yes, okay. These are the things which I ate yesterday. ये वो चीजें हैं जो कल मैंने खाया था. I have written here in the what? In the plate. मैंने plate में. आप भी ये काम कर सकते हो. You can write in your book if you want. What you have ate yesterday. The things. Name the things what you have ate yesterday. आपने जो भी भोजन कल किया था उसको आप प्लेट में लिखेंगे. You will write here. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Now on the blackboard, write the names of all the food items that you have written on your plate. Yes, the same thing. What? This is on the plate. I have written this thing on the plate. Now इस चीज को मैंने प्लेट पे लिखा है कि मैंने कल क्या खाया था. What I have ate yesterday. Now I have to write on the board. What I ate? Dal, rice. Yes, dal, rice, chapati, curry and salad. Yes, I have written it. Now look here students, the things which I have written on my plate, जो plate पे लिखा है मैंने, उसी चीज को हमें board पे लिखना था. I have done it. Same thing. Whatever I have written in my plate, I am writing on the board. That I ate yesterday. I ate dal, rice, chapati, curry and salad. Okay. So now let us move on. Did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? Yes. Now look carefully, students. मैंने कल ये खाया था. Now, did all the children, those who are joining in the class, did you eat the same thing? आप हाथ उठा के yes बोल सकते हो, no बोल सकते हो. Yes. You have eaten the same thing what I have eaten yesterday. Yes. Okay. Now show me any other. One student have answered that she has eaten the same thing. यही चीज उसने खाया है. Or any other? No. There are many students. They are shaking their hands that they have not eaten. Why you have not eaten the same thing? Because आपके घर में कुछ और बना था. Something else was prepared in your house, so you have ate something else. आपके घर में कुछ और बना था तो आपने कुछ और खाया. Fine. So there is a question: did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? No, all the children in the class, they did not add the same food items yesterday. Why? Because the it depends on condition and situation. ये condition पे या किसी और situation पे depend करता है कि घर पे बना क्या था. Fine. Now let us move on to the next question. Let us move on to the next question. You must have noticed that in the picture, page number 38, there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? Okay, now I have told you. मैंने board पे बताया था. Tell me which students did not have anything yesterday. इन 7 बच्चों में से कौन सा बच्चा था जिसने कुछ नहीं खाया था? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5, 6, 7. Which students? Tell me. Tell me, show me your finger. First child, second child, third child, fourth child. कौन से बच्चे ने खाना नहीं खाया था? You have seen on the page. I have explained on the board. मैंने board पे explain किया था. First at what? दाल, sorry, चपाती and जैगरी. पहले बच्चे ने रोटी और गुड़ खाई थी. दूसरे बच्चे ने क्या? दाल and rice. Third one, yes. Third child. Yesterday no food was cooked in my house. So the child did not eat anything. Okay. What could be the reason? Anyone, can you tell me what could be the reason? वो कौन सा reason हो सकता है जो third बच्चे ने कुछ नहीं खाया था? There might be many reasons. Might his mother her mother was not in the house. उसकी मम्मी घर पे नहीं थी. Yes. So nothing was cooked or some many conditions. There are many conditions. घर में भोजन नहीं था. फ्यूल खत्म हो गया था, गैस खत्म हो गया था, इसलिए खाना नहीं बना. ये भी हो सकता है. What the third child is saying? Listen carefully, students. The third child is saying yesterday no food was cooked in my house. The third child, she is saying that no food was prepared in her house. And what could be the reason? Many reasons can be there. Might her mother was not there in the house, so no food was cooked. Okay, might the food items was over. घर पे जो खाना बनाने की सामग्री वगैरह थी वो नहीं था, इसलिए भोजन नहीं बना. या हो सकता है might be the fuel on which we prepare the food, जिस पे भोजन बनाते हैं हम, आग, गैस, फ्यूल, वो नहीं था, तो इसलिए हो सकता है कि घर में भोजन ना बना हो. Okay, fine. Let us see next question. Has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? Yes, students, now this is a question for you, a very interesting question. Has it ever happened to you that someday you are very hungry and there is nothing to eat? If yes, why? Yes, has it happened with you? क्या आपके साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपको बहुत तेज भूख लगी हो और घर में खाने के लिए कुछ ना हो? तो ऐसा कब हुआ है? When? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, one student. Who will tell me? Anyone? ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपको कभी बहुत तेज भूख लगी हो और घर में खाने के लिए कुछ ना हो? Who will tell me the answer? Aryan, yes, you tell me. Tell me, Aryan. No. Yes, Aryan, you were raising your hand. आप अपना हाथ उठा रहे थे. Fine. Now, anyone? Yes, many times it happens. Okay, now let me take my example. Yes, I am very hungry. Sometimes it happens that way. I am very hungry and there is nothing to eat because the food was over. घर में जो भोजन बना था वो खत्म हो गया था, इसलिए मुझे भोजन नहीं मिला और मुझे काफी तेज भूख लगी थी. Okay, there might be many reasons. बहुत सारे reasons होंगे. हर एक बच्चे का अलग-अलग reasons होगा. It depends on the persons. Next, how do you know that you are hungry? How do you know, students, children? How do you know that you are hungry? Yes, we come to know that we are hungry because at that time our stomach is empty. हमारा पेट खाली रहता है, empty रहता है. Okay, and we feel like eating something. We feel like eating something. That is called hungry. Yes, आपको कब पता चलता है कि आपको भूख लगा हुआ है? आपको कुछ खाने का मन करता है. Yes, you want to eat something. Your stomach is empty or some sound may be coming out. Yes, कुछ आवाजें आती हो पेट में. Yes, so there are many reasons. और कभी-कभी पेट में दर्द होना, यानी खाना नहीं खाते हो तो उससे भी पेट में दर्द हो सकता है. Yes, so here the writer is asking a question to you that how do you know that you are hungry? means simple question. I know that I am hungry because whenever I am hungry, I feel like eating something. Yes, I feel like eating something. The answer should be in such a way that you can say, बच्चे आप इस तरीके से आंसर दे सकते हो कि I come to know when I am hungry, I feel like eating something. My stomach is empty. मेरा पेट खाली रहता है और मुझे कुछ खाने की ललसा रखी रहती है कि मुझे कुछ खाने को मिले. Okay, fine. Now let us see next question. How do you feel when you are hungry? Yes, how do you feel when you are hungry? आपको भूख लगती है तो आपको कैसा होता है कि कैसा फील करते हो? Anyone who can tell? Adamya, you tell me, how do you feel when you are feeling hungry? How do you feel? आप कैसा feel? Yes, आप कैसा feel करते हो? गुस्सा आता है भूख लगती है तो?
No sir.
Then how do you feel?
Sir, पेट में
How do you
बहुत
feel?
good.
अच्छा, okay, fine. Now, Jia, you tell me. Jia, you tell me. How do you feel when you are hungry? गुस्सा आता होगा आपको?
Yes
भूख
sir.
लगती है तो? गुस्सा आता है आपको ना?
Yes sir. Yes
भूख लगती है
sir.
तो गुस्सा आता है. Okay.
तो मम्मी कुछ खाने को नहीं देती तो
Fine. Okay, Jayashree, you tell me. Yes. How do you feel, children? How do you feel when you are hungry?
मैं सर
पेट में दर्द होता है
यस सर
और गुस्सा भी आता होगा.
यस सर
Okay, fine. Next, Abha Kashyap, you tell me. How do you feel when you are hungry?
सर कुछ खाने का मन करने लगता है.
हाँ, तो भूख लगती है तो आपको कैसा फील होता है? कुछ खाने को फील करता है, मन करता है, right ना? Yes?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, students. Now let us see next. Vipul's family. Now we are going to discuss about Vipul's family. About whose family we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about Vipul's family. Now students, look at the board. अब हम विपुल के परिवार के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं. Vipul's family. Vipul's family. Students, now look at the board carefully. Now we are going to discuss about Vipul's family. Okay. Now, in Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipul's eat. In Vipul's family, there are some members. कुछ सदस्य घर के ऐसे हैं जो विपुल खाता है, बाकी लोग नहीं खाते हैं. Whatever Vipul eat, other members of the family, they don't like it. Next, do you think these people do not eat or can't eat what Vipul eats? That is a question now. Students, it's a question. In Vipul's family, there are some members who doesn't want to eat what Vipul eat. मेरे फैमिली में मैं जो खाता हूँ बाकी मेंबर्स नहीं खाना चाहते हैं. What might be the reason? Do you think these people do not eat? क्या ये आपको लगता है कि वो लोग खाना भोजन नहीं करते हैं? No. खाते जरूर होंगे. Yes. जो मैं नहीं खाता, मैं खा रहा हूँ, उनको खाने की इच्छा नहीं कर रही है. तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे? क्या वो खाना नहीं खाते हैं? क्या वो खाते ही नहीं है? No, they definitely eat or cannot eat or या वो खा नहीं सकते हैं. There might be many reasons. Now let us see. Let us read about Vipul's family. Students, let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta, corn cob. Bhutta, you know? Yes. Vipul, when he was coming back from school, he purchased what? Bhutta, a corn cob. Yes. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." Vipul, while he was coming back from school, he bought bhutta from the market, and while reaching home, he asked his mother that where is Chutki? He want to see her. He want to meet her. Okay. विपुल जब विद्यालय से घर आ रहा था, उसने रास्ते में से भुट्टा खरीदा, corn cob. That yes, I know everyone likes. सबको पसंद है भुट्टा. Yes. Now and he went. When he reached home, he asked his mother that where is Chutki? यानी कि उसकी छोटी बहन. Okay. Chutki, where is Chutki? His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Mother said, Vipul, Chutki is in the room upstairs. यानी ऊपर वाले घर में है, on the upstairs. Next, Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Ba's chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." Now what happened? Vipul hold the hand. Hold means pakarna. Look here. Hold means pakarna. Hold the hand of her grandmother, of his grandmother. Vipul hold the hand of his grandmother and he said, "Grandma, come along with me to the upstairs." Meanwhile, Vipul's mother stopped him and he said, "Vipul, I have soaked some chapati in the dal for Ma, for Bas. Bas, let her फर्स्ट है फॉर मिल." यहाँ पे विपुल की मम्मी ने कहा, विपुल ने कहा, "दादी आप भी मेरे साथ ऊपर चलिए, ऊपर वाले कमरे में." तब भी मम्मी ने कहा, "नहीं बेटा, दादी को मत लेके जाओ, ओके, डोंट टेक हिम अपस्टेयर, आई हैव सॉक्ड." यानी मैंने कुछ दाल रोटी जो है मैंने दाल में भिगो रखी है, पहले दादी को भोजन कर लेने दो। फाइनली, हैव यू पुट शुगर इन द दाल? After coming to Nagpur, you have forgotten our own way of making food, said Daddy to Vipul's mother. Daddy said to Vipul's mother that after returning from Kanpur, you have forgotten the way how we prepare the food. कानपुर से आने के बाद हम जैसे भोजन बनाते थे वैसे आप भोजन नहीं बना रहे हो। Have you added some sugar in the dal? क्या दाल में आपने शुगर यानी चीनी डाला है? I don't know, I have not eaten. मैंने तो नहीं खाया है। Might you have eaten in कानपुर? कानपुर में आपने खाया होगा कि दाल में चीनी डाल के खाते हो। So Dadi said to Vipul's mother that have you added some sugar in the dal? After returning from Kanpur, you have forgotten our own way of making food. I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. Vipul mother said that I have tasted, यानी मैंने चख लिया है। I have tasted the dal and it has been prepared well, अच्छी तरीके से बना हुआ है। Now let us see. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. Yes, Vipul took the plate, जिस प्लेट में दाल रोटी भिगोया गया था दादी के लिए, विपुल ने उस प्लेट को लेकर के he took the plate and he ran upstairs and he asked his grandmother to follow him quickly. Yes, he asked his grandmother to follow him quickly to the upstairs. Now move on to the next. When I was your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Daddy. Daddy said that मैं जब आपकी उम्र की थी, when I was at your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Daddy. Daddy said to Vipul कि मैं जब आपकी उम्र की थी तो मैं पहाड़ पे हिल पे दौड़ के चली जाती थी। Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hands and lifted chutki. What happened now? Vipul gave the bhutta, means the corn cob, to his mommy. The bhutta which Vipul was eating, जो भुट्टा विपुल खा रहा था उसने अपनी मामी को दिया। Washed his hands and lifted chutki. The bhutta which was being ate by Vipul, Vipul जो भुट्टा खा रहा था उसने अपनी मामी को दिया। And what he did? He washed his hand and he lifted chutki. तो विपुल ने अपना हाथ धोया और उसने चुटकी को उठाया। Now let us see next. Suddenly Chutki started crying. She is hungry, said Mommy. She sat down to feed Chutki. Suddenly what happened? Chutki started crying. When Vipul lifted Chutki, जैसे ही विपुल ने चुटकी को गोद में उठाया, वो रोने लगी। She started crying. Her mother, Mommy said that she is hungry. She sat down to feed Chutki. वो बैठ गई और उसको दूध पिलाने लगी। फीड करना, उसको खिलाने लगी। उसे एहसास हो गया, माँ को एहसास हो गया कि बच्ची चुटकी रो रही है और उसको भूख लगी है। Now, Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Now this is a question, students. Students, look here. What we have learned in Bipul's family, while returning from school, Bipul bought a bhutta. Now look at the board, students. ध्यान से देखिएगा. I hope many of you knows what is. Have you ever eaten? कभी खाया है आपने? Yes. I hope you have eaten. This is what corn cob. This is corn cob. Students, look at the board. ये भुट्टा है. I hope many of you have known. Yes. Yes. Look at the board. This is what bhutta. While returning from school, Vipul bought a bhutta, and while reaching home, Vipul asked his mother that where is Chutki? Mom said Chutki is upstairs. Okay. Now he is moving up. Vipul was going to upstairs. At the same time, Vipul asked his grandmother to come up to the upstairs. Mother stopped him. Vipul, don't take grandmother upstairs. I have soaked. मैंने कुछ रोटी और दाल भिगो के रखी है. I have soaked dal and roti in a plate. Let your grandma have it. Okay. Now next, what happened again after that? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Vipul took the plate of grandma and he ran up to the upstairs and asked her grandmother to follow him quickly. Grandma said that when I was at your age, मैं जब आपकी उम्र की थी, I used to run up a hill. मैं पहाड़ों पे तेज से दौड़ जाती थी. But now I can't run up. Okay. Now Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating. This is the bhutta which Vipul was eating. He gave it to मामी. ये भुट्टा विपुल ने किसको दिया? ये भुट्टा विपुल ने मामी को दिया. He gave it to mami. After giving to mami the bhutta, the corn cob, Vipul washed his hand and he lifted Chutki. Suddenly Chutki started crying. अचानक Chutki रोने लगी. Now Mami said Chutki is hungry and she sat down and started feeding Chutki. Okay, this was about Vipul's family. About Vipul's family, we have read it. Now let us see. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Students, now it is your turn. You have to tell me the answer. Why was Dadi not able to climb up the stairs quickly? Who will tell me the answer? कि दादी सीढ़ियों पे, stairs का मतलब सीढ़ी होता है. सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ क्यों नहीं पा रही थी जल्दी से? Who will tell me the answer? Why was Dadi not able to climb up the stair quickly? Who will tell? Yes, Aba Kashyap, you tell me the answer.
सर क्योंकि दादी बूढ़ी हो गई थी.
Very good. She was growing old. Dadi was growing old, so only because of that she was not able to climb up the stairs. दादी बूढ़ी हो रही थी और बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी, इसलिए वो सीढ़ियों पे नहीं चढ़ पा रही थी. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डज दादी लाइक टू हैव हर दाल? दादी को दाल किस तरीके का पसंद था? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Come on, answer me. Who will tell me the answer? दादी को कैसा दाल पसंद था? What type of dal she was wanting to have? You tell me, Adamya Srivastav. You are, yes, you tell me. What type of dal does Dadi wants to eat? दादी को कैसा दाल पसंद था?
सर दादी को दाल में शुगर डाल के खाना अच्छा लगता था.
Very good. Dadi was preferring to have a dal with sugar. Fine. Very good. Now, note it. How many persons in the story can eat bhutta easily? Who will tell me?
Yes, sir.
Who will tell me? You will tell me. Okay, tell me. How many in the story? How many persons are there? Vipul is there. Vipul mother is there. Vipul mami is there. Yes. Vipul grandmother is there. उसकी दादी भी है. And Chutki. Okay, this Chutki. Now, can anybody tell कौन लोग हैं जो भुट्टा खा सकते हैं? Who can eat the? Now, who will tell me, students? Come on, raise your hand, no, so that I can ask you a question. Rajnish Yadav, yes, you tell me. Who can eat bhutta in Vipul's family? Vipul's की family में ये है family members of Vipul. These are the name of family members of Vipul. Now you tell me, among this,
Sir,
who can eat bhutta? Okay, Vipul can eat bhutta. Mother?
Sir, mother.
यस मदर
Sir,
कैन
mother.
ईट और
Sir, mommy.
हाँ और मामी
Sir,
वेरी गुड
chutki. Sir, chutki.
छुटकी नो नो छुटकी इज वेरी स्मॉल छुटकी बहुत छोटी है वो नहीं खा सकती दादी नहीं खा सकती क्योंकि उनकी
दादी
दांत
बूढ़ी हो चुकी है।
बूढ़ी हो चुकी है ओके फाइन वेरी गुड okay very good students yeah now look here children here these are the family members of Vipul's family okay and Vipul mother mommy grandmother and Chutki and ba is also there who is ba is also there but I don't know who is ba but look here these are the family members of Vipul and Vipul mother mommy three of them they can eat three of them in Vipul's family they can eat bhutta but Dadi and Chutki grandmother and Chutki is very small she is drinking milk वो दूध पी रही है इसलिए वो भुट्टा नहीं खा सकती तो छोटी बच्ची है तो उसके भी दांत नहीं है और दादी है तो उसके भी दांत नहीं है वो भुट्टा नहीं खा सकती नाउ कैन ऑल ओल्ड पीपल ईट भुट्टा व्हाई नाउ स्टूडेंट्स क्या सारे बुढ़े जो लोग होते हैं बूढ़े लोग होते हैं वो भुट्टा खा सकते हैं अगर नहीं खा सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं खा सकते हैं why Jia you tell me who so yes Shreyans Jia you tell me बूढ़े लोग सारे बूढ़े लोग भुट्टा नहीं खा सकते हैं why
सर क्योंकि उनकी एज हो गई है।
अच्छा एज हो गई हो तो भुट्टा नहीं खा सकते हैं उनकी जुबान उनके दांत नहीं है बेटा they don't have teeth
यस सर
they don't have teeth उनकी दांत नहीं है इसलिए वो भुट्टा नहीं खा सकते
नहीं खा सकते।
yes very good so the answer should be in such a way that yes all old people can't eat bhutta because they don't have teeth fine next for 4 months Chutki will have only her mother's milk that is her only food why okay 4 साल की छुटकी है 4 साल 4 months और 4 month नहीं 4 महीने की है सॉरी 4 months Chutki is how many months? Chutki is 4 months old. 4 महीने की वो बच्ची है Chutki and she can only live on her mother's milk. वो अपनी माँ के दूध पे ही रह सकती है. Why? Why? Who will tell me? Why Chutki can only live on yes Abha Kashyap tell me.
सर क्योंकि छुटकी अभी छोटी है
हाँ अभी छोटी
उसके
है वेरी
दांत
गुड
नहीं निकले हैं।
हाँ उसके दांत नहीं निकले हैं इसलिए वो केवल दूध पर ही जीवित रह सकती है नाउ ओके फाइन आभा थैंक यू आभा ओके फाइन नेक्स्ट Ananya Tiwari I'll ask you question next ask your elders and fill in the blanks what can they eat what they cannot eat okay child now let us see students some time is there now ask your elder घर में जो बड़े हैं उनसे पूछकर हमें लिखना है now I will help you what can they eat what they cannot eat what they can eat and here what they cannot eat they can't eat or they cannot eat now look at the board students here the first one here it is child number 1 it is child what can a child eat what cannot he eat okay second young क्या खा सकते हैं और क्या नहीं खा सकते हैं okay next old what they can eat and what they cannot eat now who will tell me I will tell you छोटा बच्चा है child what a child can do child can only have milk can drink milk but they cannot eat bhutta fine now young people what they can eat चपाती यस यंग है तो अभी हम चपाती दाल राइस यस राइस देन अगेन वी कैन से इवन भुट्टा आल्सो दे कैन हैव भुट्टा भी खा सकते हैं ओके व्हाट दे कैन नॉट ईट यंग पीपल क्या नहीं खा सकते हैं यस टेल मी व्हाट दे कैन नॉट ईट दे कैन ईट आप जैसे जो बच्चे हैं आप दाल चपाती राइस रोटी सब्जी सब खा सकते हो आप क्या नहीं खा सकते हो
they like every food
They like every food. Very good. Young people, they like every food. Now, old people, what old people like to have?
Milk, dal,
Yeah, yeah, milk. They like to have milk, dal. Yes, milk, dal, shocked roti, bhiga hua roti, shocked chapati. Yes, shocked chapati. And what they can't eat gram, bhuja वगैरह, चना वगैरह नहीं खा सकते हैं. Okay, students, these are our questions which we have. So this was about things that we can or cannot eat. Do we eat all things that we can eat? Not always. Let us talk about those things those we do not eat. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay, students. Now it's your turn. If you have some question, you can ask me. Thank you very much.